March without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in the heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is Vlogmas day 11. I hope you guys are enjoying the video, and if you are missing out on the videos, please go ahead to watch them, like, share, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. So I'm currently on the road, and I'm a bit hungry, so first and foremost going to get something at Starbucks. I'm gonna feel gassy, so I'm going to get either French vanilla or cappuccino. Cappuccino there is really good. The water pretty. I'm just looking at the sea and just observe where water. I'm pretty sure right there is very deep. Not true. I think people gonna jump off right there though. Water there is pretty though. I mean, if it is deep, it's darker than that, right? Yeah. So yes, I'm gonna get a cappuccino probably. The last cappuccino that I got there was really good. So here, pull up. Yeah, and then we're going to, I mean, you guys would see the video before this one. So if you're watching this video and you did not go and check out let the person in front of us decide what we eat, then you need to go check out that video, because that video is going to be posted before this one. So that would have been Vlogmas day 10. So yeah, so we're going to look at errands here and about in Ocherias, and then you guys can see what or not we're up to and all of that. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys whenever we get to Starbucks or on our way closer there. So yeah. So since the last time I came here, for them the movie tree, they moved the Christmas tree. I did one smaller one, and them did a bit over furthermore. Yeah, so they moved the Christmas tree over in the plaza, Island Village Plaza. So yeah, that's what's up. Currently walking on the boardwalk to go down to Island Village down the bottom. Over here look lively, like the Christmas is in full effect. The view inside Starbucks is really nice. I mean, I always think this is not the best location because it's so far off, but when you really take in the view is really nice. So I had to ask them to adjust my coffee because this flavor is the one that I got for, oh my, look, so hold on. Yeah, so the one the first shot that I got was not sweet. It did not taste like the one that I got the other day. So I asked them to adjust it, and they had a little bit more flavor. It was too much coffee. So yeah, so this one is a lot better. So yeah, every time Odin comes to Starbucks, this is the only flavor he gets. What's this flavor?
I want that chocolate chip. For my time, I want chocolate chip.
What's the other flavor you get sometimes? This one is U. Is it U or C? JCF, JCP, or JCF? What do you get? Java chip frappuccino. Java chip.
Chocolate chip.
Java chip. Let me take down my tea. Yeah. So we're currently going to the supermarket now. Get some stuff. Oh, you gotta sell this something. Going to Champion to go get a few little stuff to bake cake. You know what part of stuff? Bake cake. Yeah. So we just got the video to let the person in front of us decide what to eat.
Really?
So just put it back in the reverse. Where's space? Go up by the way where it's sandy. This one is it? Let's go to look. I'm currently at MK to see what they have for Christmas and certain things what they have. So looking at their cologne section too as well, because Christmas gift time is coming. So them Christmas gifts, if you're the type to give someone like a cologne or anything like that, their cologne section, and then have fake and they have the real. Yeah, and jewelry and stuff. They have Mr. Santa here. Who? And what? So we're in the market now. So we're in the market to see the price on the baking pans. Yep. So they only have one size. They only have the 7-inch size. They only have the 7-inch size. Put it down here, sir. Vanilla.
No, this is size of the rose water.
But they don't have a size in that for the rose water. What size is? This not too small.
The big amount already?
Yeah, get that one. The bigger one. And they only have the small size for the baking pan, which is the 7-inch. They don't have any other size. How much is that one? $2.95. And the rose water was $3.30. They only have these. There's actually a baking place around. So we have some raisins at home already soaking. Some additional raisins and some stuff, butter and all of that. Them have the raisin in a bigger box here. Alright. And raisin. Oh, they're gonna get one thing there to put them into. So they have these cakes inside here in Champion. This one is for $6.40. Well soaked and so forth. And they have some other sides here. 1,120. So yeah, or if you guys wish to support us, you can come and get your Christmas cake from Graveyard Baking. Yeah. You know. So is it what is a regular flour? Yeah. Alright, so we got 10 pounds of flour. Cooking oil. We have enough cooking oil? Probably gonna need one cooking oil.
Right, no.
Eh?
No.
You have enough? So 10 pounds of flour here is what? 1,350. Oh, 25 pounds, my mistake. So everything that additional things that we got. So we got some more pans, got butter, rum. They put on the rum already. And something he got rose water, and we got vanilla, almond flavoring because we had some already. We got another brownie. You know, at Christmas time now, so then put on the little Christmas festivities decor label. We got some more mixed spice, and we got a spray bottles for when the cake, you know, you spray for the cake soak. Yeah, and got another cinnamon thing. The brownie, can I get a leak? I messed up my hand. I'm not sure. Right? See, like the brownie not leak, you know. I'm not too sure, but let me put it to stand up to be sure. Yeah. And this is like a spray bottle to make mix my setting spray. If you guys did not know, I make my own setting spray. So yeah, the bottle that I'm using is not good. Let me know if you guys think I should launch my setting spray. Let me know if you guys would try it. Actually, it really works. Very, very, very effective. For years now, I've been using my own setting spray. So I've been actually thinking about it for some time now to launch my own setting spray, but every time I go in and out, so I'm not really sure. But to me, I really do the makeup thing like that since recently, like hardly, like yeah. But I use brownie natural in here, man. Like the brownie natural we are from the box. I don't know. Or the vanilla. I'm gonna think of the vanilla. What's the brownie? The way to dash it from, like, you know, cut properly or something. I'm not sure. So yeah, guys. But honestly, on a big note, let me know if you guys think I should launch my setting spray. I've been thinking about it for some time. I left the thought aside because I've been so busy with school and everything. So yeah. But let me know what you think. If you think I should launch my setting spray, let me know. If you think not, let me know as well. But give me reasons and give me factual reason, which everything I do, you know, for really, you don't really depend on people. Depend on people to give you their input. But at the end of the day, you all would be the person, would be like people, not alone from the channel, but people in general would be the person, people to support me. So yeah, so yeah. So guys, this is where I'm gonna end Vlogmas day 11. We're already at Vlogmas day 11, which means there is 14 more days to go. Can I finish Vlogmas? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section as well. Do you think I can complete Vlogmas? On the corner here, let me see. So I can see it in there. I like a picnic something. Hairstyle. Can you see it from over here, sir? Can I zoom up from the front camera? Wow, I didn't know that. Alright, so do you guys think I can comment? Do you guys think I can complete Vlogmas all 25 days? I have been consistent with all of this 11 days straight. Only day I messed up on was a day that I actually had the content, but the internet was a problem. So what I'm trying to do is to create more than one content every time I'm taking up the camera to create a content, or I try to create contents in advance so you guys can catch them. Yeah. Oh, sorry. The soda from the KFC. I'm not a soda girl. So yeah. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My all still blank because this is where the Christmas tree is going to be. I don't know what I'm waiting on to put up the Christmas tree, but I want to change out the curtain for right here. So like add some other colors, take out some stuff, and so I can put in my Christmas tree. and some other Christmas decor in the living room. So guys, if you're at the end of this video, big up yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Yeah. And I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 12.